Mama's over there laughing because now she knows why we're goofy over here. Look at how wet the carb is inside. And we haven't even touched it.
Oh, no. Surprisingly enough, it's good. They just bundled up a whole bunch of electrical tape on it for no reason.
Nothing. Great.
So we'll have to chase that in. We got to chase the black and white wire in. That goes to something into this line.
Harness. Yeah. Wow.
So I'm wondering if these technically need to be inside.
We'll figure that out in a bit. All right, let's get this. We'll pressure test the cooling system, and then we'll get this thing up in the air and start checking the rest of the stuff. Is that the other side of the... Let me see that. That goes to the washer. I bet you that's where that janky hose shit went. No, look, here's the washer squirters right here. Is that piece you pulled out, the connector for that?
No, it's right here. It's on.
Well, then where the fuck does that one go?
Too big. And then, what are we going to hook this up to?
Bend over and I'll show you.
Is this a drain?
That doesn't make sense. Oh, God.
Wait a minute.
I'm waiting a minute.
Where's the washer pump?
Not existent.
Washer pump.
That's what they did. They jumpered it so the wipers would work. Wow. All right, see? That's the sleuth work. It takes... Good Lord almighty.
I don't get it.
No, I don't understand.
I don't get it.
This is ridiculous.
I mean, granted, when I was learning on cars, don't you dare say my age.
87.
Quite a few decades ago, I'll say that much. I learned on my own. I didn't have somebody in my life that could teach me how to work on cars. My father taught me how to drink and drive and smash them, but he never taught me how to fix them.
Hey, you're a talented drunk driver. I've seen you.
I am.
Highly skilled.
I don't drink and drive. Don't anybody ever think that. I don't.
Anymore.
Correct. That was many, many moons ago. 7 years ago. So,
I think you've scored more than 4 times.
Oh, I have. But that's not the point. So,
this video is like 14.
I learned and learned and learned, and I took time on my own junk $25 cars or free cars or whatever I could do, get my hands on. And I learned as much as I could, as quickly as I could. Because I didn't make much back in the day. I mean, minimum wage at the time was like $2.15 at best, depending on where you went.
Good Lord.
Well, no, I think if I started at $1.85 an hour, went to $2.15, then I got it to $3.25, and then in the mid '80s I got to $5 an hour, and I was highly paid at that point. But long story short, I taught myself how to fix cars. I would look at what's there in front of me, and then I would go find somebody who had the exact same car, so that I could, okay, that's how that's supposed to look, and that's what I would do. I would put it back to that. This, I'm done. I've got things I got to do.
All right, so let's get the pressure tester. Let's pressure test the cooling system, and then we will raise her up. Thank you, Scotty.
We'll see you on the next one.